Imagine a saw that's not just any ordinary saw. The creators of this tool came up with something truly unique. The handle also doubles as a sheath for the blade. This nifty design allows the saw's length to shift from 60 centimeters to 33.5 centimeters, making it a breeze to store and carry with just one hand. And get this, on one side, the saw has 17 teeth per 2.5 centimeters, while on the other side it's 7 to 10 teeth, adding versatility for various cutting needs. Plus, it weighs about 450 grams, making even long projects feel like a walk in the park. And the best part? It's priced at just $29. Who knew a saw could be this exciting, right? Let's talk about rakes, those humble farming tools that are actually super important. You see, these bad boys play a crucial role in harvesting fodder in the fields. They're the real MVPs when it comes to tedding, turning, and raking the grass clippings into neat and tidy rows, also known as the windrows of grease. But wait, the top-of-the-line 1403C model takes these tasks to a whole new level with its professional precision. It offers a working width of 9 to 14 meters and an adjustable windrow width ranging from 1.3 to 2.2 meters. And get this, the operator can make these adjustments right from the cab using the touchscreen. Plus, the transport width of this rake is a compact 3 meters. How's that for a farming tool that's both efficient and high-tech? Hey, did you know that UN experts are predicting that the world's need for wood will nearly double by 2050? It's a big deal, right? And guess what? Many equipment suppliers are gearing up for this surge. Take this 4-wedge for instance. It's not your average tool. It comes with a remote control that works up to 100 meters away. Plus, it's got an emergency stop switch for those moments. This beast can lift up to 25 tons and has a 60 millimeter elevation ability. There's even a locking strap for those tricky situations. And get this, it's quite compact and lightweight, weighing around 9 kilograms excluding the battery. Now, let's talk price. It's set at $3,050. How's that for a tool that's ready to take on the future of wood harvesting? It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. The TRITAN 560, designed by MCELROY, a company known for its creative solutions, is intended for moving and setting pipes up to 56 centimeters in diameter. The system can be operated by a single person using wireless control, or a cable if wireless usage is not allowed on the site. The TRITAN is capable of spinning all the way around and can move at 7.5 kilometers per hour thanks to its updated 50 horsepower engine. Despite its powerful performance, it remains compact, measuring 368 by 186 by 170 centimeters for transport. With the fiberglass pipe market projected to exceed $6 billion by 2025, MCELROY's innovation is expected to remain in high demand. As for the range from the remote to the machine, well, that's a mystery yet to be solved. If you're in the business of installing metal decking regularly, this nifty tool is your ticket to saving big on labor costs. Picture this. It can achieve an average of 1,200 punches per hour and a whopping 9,600 punches per day. That means you can double or even triple your work speed compared to manual tools, all without breaking a sweat. This tool is a true all-rounder, working seamlessly with all types of decking, from 18 to 22 gauge. With its powerful jaws and a reasonable weight of 18 kilograms, including packaging, it's a heavyweight champion in the world of metal decking tools. And the best part? It comes with a price tag of $2,800, making it a worthy investment for any decking pro. Check out this practical tool for using a total station. You'll often spot this device set on a distinctive tripod at construction sites or municipal and landscaping jobs. It's designed to boost range and precision using reflectors, with adjustable prisms alongside the total station. This model is made to attach to a nail, and it even comes with a built-in level to assist with leveling. Plus, you can detach the upper and lower parts for simpler transport. And the best part? It's priced at just $390, depending on the prism constant. PALFINGER AG is driving innovation with foldable forklifts that offer remarkable portability. These forklifts effortlessly fit under a truck's trailer for transport, and once assembled at their destination, perform on par with traditional forklifts. For instance, the BM214 can lift loads up to 2.1 tons, while the FLC253 handles up to 2.5 tons, reaching maximum lift heights of 2.85 and 4.1 meters. Powered by efficient 3-cylinder diesel engines for swift on-site movement. You may remember Wario, the adventurous rival of Mario, but did you know he's also a savvy businessman? Get this, he's promoting the ER600 VARIOCLEAN system, not just for adventurers, but also for plumbers. This nifty gadget is perfect for cleaning pipes indoors or outdoors, with a cordless design that's ideal for remote locations. It's priced at $3,100, making it a versatile and handy tool for any pipe cleaning pro or adventure enthusiast. The TEAGLE Tomahawk 500 FS is a game-changer for farmers, as it facilitates the efficient cutting of hay and straw. The resulting product can be utilized as animal feed or as bedding in stores, offering versatility in agricultural applications. With the ability to produce up to 4 tons per hour without the need to stop the machine to load bales, it significantly enhances productivity. The 1.85-meter drum, equipped with a special section for easy multi-bale loading, ensures seamless operation. To operate the mill, a tractor with a minimum 80 horsepower engine and a 1000 RPM PTO is required. These mills are crafted by TEAGLE Machinery, a renowned company in the agricultural equipment industry, known for its reliability and quality British-made machinery. Let's talk about a nifty tool that's making waves, the ladder attachment that's a game-changer for both safety and convenience. With a capacity to hold tools, paint cans, and other items weighing up to 7 kilograms, this tool is a lifesaver. By eliminating the need to climb down or dangerously stretch to reach things, it significantly reduces the risk of accidental falls. Priced at $35, it's a small investment for a big boost in safety and efficiency. The manufacturer is calling it an innovative solution, and I couldn't agree more. Now let's look into the innovative world of construction with the DORT Plus lifting device. This handy tool is a game-changer for form work tasks, especially when it comes to moving table forms. It's super user-friendly and can be operated by a single operator, making it a real time saver on the job site. With the ability to easily rotate and move sideways, the DORT Plus lifts at a speedy 8 centimeters per second and stops instantly at the desired height. What's more, it can hoist up to 2 tons, boosting efficiency and simplifying the lives of construction workers in every possible way. It's like a superhero for the construction site. Spending long hours on your knees can take a toll on your body, potentially affecting blood flow and increasing the risk of conditions like arthritis. But fear not, because there's a smart solution in the form of a system of roller mounts with a spring-loaded seat. Priced at $320, this innovative tool can handle up to 113 kilograms of weight and rotate 360 degrees, making it a versatile and essential addition to any toolkit. Whether you're working on asphalt, concrete, or even on the ground, this system not only eases the strain on your knees but also provides relief for your back. It's a smart buy for both amateurs and pros alike, offering a practical and ergonomic solution to make those long hours of work much more comfortable and safe. Presenting a specialized tree puller, designed for efficiently extracting poles and trees from the soil. This tool seamlessly connects to various machinery, including tractors and loaders, providing not only pulling capabilities but also excelling in digging. With an impressive 152 centimeters opening, the tree puller demonstrates its effectiveness, even when dealing with sizable trees. Connect the tree puller effortlessly to contemporary loaders using its universal mounting system. To enhance its versatility, you have the option to incorporate a protection system or a load gripping device as required. Crafted with foresight and unconventional thinking, these chainsaws are a testament to innovative tool design. Engineered for one-handed ease, they wield a potent 2 amp-hour battery, effortlessly powering through 100 cuts, all while weighing under 2 kilograms. Choose between two models: the NEXXSAW with a 15-centimeter blade for branches up to 12 centimeters thick, and the NEXXSAW Ultra boasting an 18-centimeter blade for branches up to 15 centimeters in diameter. Both models offer a 32-degree angle adjustment and extend their reach up to 3 meters, with the option of using an extension cord. Completing the package are a manual grease pump and a protective case. Now, let's delve into the expertise of professionals engaged in the intricate task of tree tying, a task often deemed critical in nurseries. Machine operators employ specialized grips to securely fasten tree branches in their proper positions, while assistants diligently tie the branches for a more streamlined and safer transportation process. Notably, these grippers can be tailored to accommodate nearly any tree. For instance, DUTCHMAN Industries offers models suitable for trees, ranging from 1.2 to 7.3 meters in height. Each gripper is equipped with a controller, and the controls are user-friendly, ensuring that the tying process takes just a few minutes, a stark contrast to the several hours it would typically require. This versatile toolkit caters to both beginners and professionals, centered around a docking station with an expansion pack, jig clamp, and various drill guides and add-ons. Options abound, including a drill guide with an Automax clamp for workpieces between 13 to 28 millimeters thick, capable of connecting to a vacuum cleaner for lengthy board and plywood projects. Additional supports enhance stability, and a clever drill guide accommodates thin workpieces, allowing for holes 25% smaller. The featured kit, priced at around $300, provides a comprehensive solution for a range of woodworking tasks, making it a valuable investment for users at different skill levels. This technological marvel seamlessly integrates the capabilities of a forklift and a mechanical arm, resulting in a versatile machine designed for transporting and placing curbs, pavers, and various materials. With the capacity to safely carry 1.6 tons of cargo and a manipulator capable of handling a 140 kilograms load, extendable to 200 kilograms, this machine offers enhanced flexibility. Its boom and arm can rotate a full 360 degrees, providing a generous working reach of 3 meters. Operating at a speed of 2.2 kilometers per hour, it combines power and precision for efficient and adaptable handling tasks. When time is of the essence for moving a stack of chipboard sheets or similarly sized items, this dolly proves to be a dependable ally. Simply place a sheet on it, and the jaws secure it firmly yet gently, thanks to the felt coating. The working width is adjustable, ranging from 30 to 95 millimeters, offering flexibility for various materials. Additionally, users can choose between pneumatic or solid rubber tires, based on their preferences. Crafted in Germany, the price tag of $125 aligns well with the quality and functionality this dolly brings to the table. In the realm of racing, it's not only the drivers, mechanics, and vehicles that encounter challenges. The condition of the road surface is equally crucial. Imagine the potential disasters if dragsters with 8,000 horsepower engines race down a subpar track at speeds around 450 kilometers per hour. That's why track preparation is best entrusted to professionals. Enter the Mass Traction team, renowned for their expertise, showcased on shows like Top Gear and Jay Leno's Garage. With the capability to handle diverse tasks, from stripping tracks down to bare concrete to applying specialized compounds, Mass Traction ensures that the racing surface is optimal. By leaving the track preparation to experts like them, racers can concentrate on the driving, knowing that the foundation beneath them is in top-notch condition.